Hello, I'm Dean Martin with Transmission Digest. Welcome to the TranStar Industry Studios here at Babcock's Media.
Morning sickness not only applies to pregnant women, but can also apply to transmissions, such as the case as a GM 8L90. Among some other problems that they've had is delayed engagement after setting for an extended period of time. It's not a big problem, but it does show up, and General Motors actually issued a TSB concerning the problem. You will be showing the TSB during a video. The correction that they made involves the stator support, and it had to do with the cooler out passage, which is in this area. And they added an extra check ball capsule as an air bleed to address that. This is actually the newer design, and it's got the check ball capsule here so that when the vehicle gets started, it can pump the converter full much quicker and not have that delay. Now, in the TSB that General Motors issued, they talk about timing. If this is just a real short delay, that's not going to involve replacing the stator support. So again, you have to be aware of what the actual complaint is, and to make sure that the stator support replacement is going to take care of that problem. Because if it's a programming issue or a problem with a clutch pack, replacing the stator is not going to get the job done. One thing that you might be able to do to ensure that when you drive the vehicle, you can put it up on the rack, leave it off for just a short period of time, pull the plug, the rubber fill plug out of the side, maybe get a piece of coat hanger, stick it down inside, and pull it out and see what the level is. Leave it set overnight, check the level the next morning the same way, and see if it's really heightened on the coat hanger to know that you have a drain back issue. So be aware of the problem and don't replace a stator if it is something else. This TSB has been revised several times, and the initial issue mentioned about the case cover as well. There was a modification made in the case cover, and some of these passages are now gone. This is actually the new design, and as you can see, it doesn't have some of the tracks, some of the indentations that the previous design had. As part of the recommended procedure, they're saying replace the stator support. They're not saying replace the case cover on the final cut of the TSB. Probably just a good idea to do it in the event that there's some type of machining issue. So definitely have to replace the stator support if it's warranted, replace the case cover as a precaution, and that should eliminate the morning sickness or the delayed engagement. I'm Mike Riley. Thanks for watching. See you next time.